Hi guys, welcome to the channel and also welcome to a new series called Draw With Me series. So in this series, we are going to be drawing inside of Procreate. I know that sounds the same, but I thought that this year I would take you guys through the whole process of my creations. So the creation process doesn't necessarily start during when I create my 3D looks. They usually start when I sketch inside of Procreate. I come up with my sketch first, then I take my sketches into my 3D software to create the 3D prototype. So basically, this is just me drawing inside of Procreate and creating looks. So for this first episode, I decided to create the 2.0 version of my Alien collection, which I created in back in 2022. I'm guessing. I'm not so sure, but I'm currently operating my portfolio, and I decided to create a 2.0 version of that collection, right? And this is look three, I guess. I kind of forgot to record myself creating look one and look two. I think I just have the time lapse videos of those looks, but I'm going to show you the whole process. So from this sketch, it's going to turn into a 3D prototype, then an actual physical product. So basically, this series is full cycle from idea to final product. So I decided to do that just to give you guys more insight into what I do on a day to day. So I do this for brands. I also do this for my brand as well. And it's a whole process. Basically, the prints I'm using in this collection I created myself in Procreate as well. I'll also be coming up with tutorials for creating seamless prints inside of Procreate, organic and geometric prints. So basically, this is a Smocked blouse. I also wanted to incorporate the details I had in the previous collection. I'll link the previous collection down in the description below, just so you guys can check it out. I have it both on my Instagram and on Behance, so you can see the full collection. And I had this jelly heads motifs I used throughout the collection. I also wanted to replicate that in the 2.0 version with a print and also some motives which will come later on in the whole process. But I also wanted this to be a bit fluid and like give an ethereal vibe. So there's a lot of pleating, there's a lot of flounces, there's a lot of top stitching details and like fabric manipulation techniques like Canadian smoking. I actually also created a brush specifically for that, and you see me use it on the blouse once I get to detailing the blouse. So yeah, so this is what the series is all about. You guys feel free to ask questions on the type of videos or comment on the type of videos you want to see with this whole series. So there's the Draw With Me series, and I'm using like my digidolls for all of this. So basically, it's full cycle fashion production. Um, and I'm hoping that you guys will like all the information I have to give throughout the series, and also encourage me with your likes, subscribe. If you haven't subscribed already, trust me, you need to. So just to encourage me and to show me that you're actually also interested in seeing this type of content. If not, tell me what you're interested in seeing, and I'll try as much as possible to make that happen. So I just do this for work, both freelance and my 9 to 5. Fashion is my life, and throughout this series, I also want to share like some of my stories working in the industry for close to 10 years now, and it's been a journey, and I've learned so much, and I'm grateful for all of the learning experience I've had. And yeah, basically, I'm rounding off on the sketch right now and just like putting in the final details. This is the Canadian smoking part I spoke about, and I'm just basically finalizing the sketch and just making sure it looks exactly how I want it to look. I'll be creating this particular look in my size in Flow 3D just for physical production. I'll show you how to print these patterns at home using Flow 3D and regular home printer, I guess. Yeah. So basically, this is how I go through the process. I feel like I had like multiple versions of this particular look before I settled on this. So I thought like showing you guys all of that would be maybe a little bit boring. I'll try and like put some of those what do they call those things again? Um some of those processes into the Draw With Me series because yeah, it's supposed to be me showing you every single thing I'm doing so far. I also put in a leather texture. I'm not sure where I'm going to get leather from right now, but yeah, I'm not sure the leather is going to work for physical production. I mean, so yeah, so this is where like literally brainstorming and like figuring out what fabrics I'm going to use for the final look and like what details construction details I mean I'm going to incorporate into the final looks and just to make sure that it comes to life. So I hope you guys enjoy this series, enjoy this video. Please give it a like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.